Wake up and smell the cinnamon coffee puffs, a delicious recipe tutorial. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to be showing you how to make a delicious treat that's perfect for coffee lovers. We'll be making cinnamon coffee puffs, a sweet and satisfying pastry that's sure to impress. So, let's get started. To begin, we'll need to gather our ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1/4 cup of sugar, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 cup of melted butter, 1/2 cup of milk, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1/4 cup of brown sugar, 1 tablespoon of cinnamon, 1/4 cup of brewed coffee. First, preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, 190 degrees Celsius, and line a muffin tin with paper liners. In a large mixing bowl, whisk together the flour, sugar, baking powder, cinnamon, and salt until well combined. In a separate bowl, mix together the melted butter, milk, and vanilla extract. Gradually add the wet ingredients to the dry ingredients, stirring until just combined. In a small bowl, mix together the brown sugar and cinnamon. Set aside. Using a cookie scoop or spoon, fill each muffin cup with batter until about 1/3 full. Add a small spoonful of the cinnamon sugar mixture on top of the batter. Then, add another scoop of batter on top of the cinnamon sugar mixture. Drizzle a small amount of brewed coffee on top of each muffin. Bake the cinnamon coffee puffs for 18 to 20 minutes, or until they're golden brown and a toothpick comes out clean when inserted into the center. And that's it, your delicious cinnamon coffee puffs are ready to enjoy. These pastries are perfect for breakfast, brunch, or even as a dessert. If you enjoyed this recipe, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tasty recipes. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Free ebook. Starbucks Liqueurs Coffee, the adult alcohol. Worth $5.99. Link to description. https://tinyurl.com. 3 Coffee Lover.